Yeah. You got a little spooked?
Where's your tourniquet at, bro? We could try to push around to that one.
Basically, I mean, the dude with the drum mag came around the corner and he shot me. I think he thought we traded, but he got me first. But no.
You think they're still around this other corner?
They could be. So, yeah, we can go push it real quick. Yep. We got a friendly close. We got a friendly close on that corner. Do not engage him.
He just got hit. I don't think he was exposed yet. I wonder if any was in the bushes on the right. I like your gun, man. That's pretty slick.
Thanks.
Is that a ARP9?
Yeah.
I like it with the full stock. Need a medic?
Yeah.
Oh, LMG. Jackson, I think I'm going to try to push up to the... What? Death threat. Is that you, Keith? Have you guys seen what it looks like around that corner? Big black cube, black plastic wrap something. Yeah, there's an LMG behind it. Someone ran over to heal him, so there's probably two guys back there. There's one guy. There's one guy around the corner, but I don't know if he's dead or not. On the other side of this wall, on the other. What's that? I don't know. I can find out. It's already ours.
He's dead. You have a dead rig? No. Okay, that's why we don't know. Yeah, no, you're fine.
Oh, fuck! That was such a girl throw.
Take it with me, let's go. Hard left, watch that hard left. Oh, multiple KIA. On that left side right there.
Box. How's that box up front?
I don't know.
We got his green. Okay.
Green?
Yeah.
Backside. Everybody good? Fresh mags? What do you want? Two. You say that other file, right? You say that other file you have the same, right?
I got the hop up adjusted. It's way better now.
I need to get this adjusted, yeah. I've been shooting all over the place. It's also windy.
Yeah.
I didn't want to push it.
Now we've lost our whole control base.
Less than a minute left.
Hey, Steve, you have a...
You need one? Okay, yeah, just make sure you have it like 2 minutes.
You have the whole one?
Hey guys, I'm gonna leave now.
Green down.
I saw your helmet through the window, but I was like, fuck, I can't tell. Dead man coming through!
Yeah. That's a good run, man.